Hey guys, today is actually very funny. So, there is something I've been planning to do. I am going to make my vision board. Yeah, finally. So, I've been wanting to do this for the whole year, like right from the beginning of the year, but finally, today I'm like, you know what, Doreen? This is the day you're doing it today. So yeah, I know I've been procrastinating. I know, don't judge me. I know I'm the one that has been talking about no procrastination and all this stuff. But today I woke up and I said, you know what, girl, you have to do this today. So come with me, let's make my vision board. I'm so excited about this process, honestly. I've already had the spot in my house for like a very long time. I know where I want my vision boards to be on, which is, this is a spot in my bedroom that I want to place the vision board. That is a couch. So I want to place a vision board here. And so I would need to go. As a matter of fact, I already have, I've put a couple of all the things that, not all, a few things that I want. I've picked them from Pinterest. I have been able to put them together in a Word document, because yeah, you need to put them together in a Word document before you'll be able to print them out. So what I'm going to do right now is I'll go out, then I'll print out those beautiful stuff that I put together, and yeah, I'll buy a few other materials like my cardboard, my gum, and yeah, other things that I need to, you know, spice up the vision board. Vision boards are so important. So let's do this together. Right now, I am on my way back home. So guys, I am back in the house. Yeah, I am sitting on the floor because I have so much to do. Now I'm packing this. You know how long, for those of you who are ladies, you know how long braids can be. Okay, that's better. So I got this. This is cardboard paper. Got this cardboard paper. So for now, I'm going to be starting with two. I have my scissors. I have a pen. This is for writing and whatever. So I also got this top bond from the store also. And yeah, so these are the beautiful pieces I'm going to be pasting on the cardboard. I wish I could show you the stuffs that are in here, but I can't show you the details, reason being that they are personal. But just let's do this together. I'm very sure you'll be able to see a few things that are in this place. The first step is going to be to cut these in pieces. Oh, you almost saw that. But to cut these in pieces, there are like 4 different visions in one sheet, so I'm going to be cutting them in pieces. And another thing I did is that I wrote, so there are different aspects of my life, right? So I wrote on each piece what's the area and the aspect that each one of them belongs to. Yeah, I had to change my wear because the weather is really hot, and I'm not gonna lie. So, but I'm still here, you know, doing the cutting. So this is it for now. I can't show you a lot. It's time to paste on the cardboard. So I am really hungry. This has taken a while. I need to get some food to eat first and then go back to complete it. So here I am. I'm a 3 linear, of course. So yeah, still pasting, pasting. It's looking a bit put together already, but yeah, let's continue. So I'm finally done with this cardboard. Now I'm going to this one. Yeah, we have to finish, and I must finish today. So right now I am done, and I'm going to be pasting it on my wall next. I've just applied the gum behind the cardboard, and I'm going to paste it on the wall. Guys, I just finished and it's looking really good already. So now I'm gonna be praying on it consistently. This took me over 4 hours to make. Now this is one of the reasons I've not done it for this long time, but thank God I've been able to do it today. And yeah, so I'll let you guys know when the results start coming. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me, and I hope that you'll be able to make yours also. If you want the full video of how I did it, you can just comment in the comment section below, and I'll be able to share with you the full process from the beginning. That's not even from today, not even the one I did today, from the very beginning, how I was able to pick the things I want to be on the vision board. So that's it for now. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.